Hello my technical friends, this is lab 7.2.10 and we are going to lock and unlock user accounts. So every 7 years a company provides a 6-week sabbatical for each employee. Vera Edwards, Corey Flynn and Brumika Khan are leaving today, while Maggie Brown, Brenda Cassini and Arturo Espinoza are just returning. Complete this lab from the terminal. So the company security policy mandates that user accounts for employees gone for longer than 2 weeks be disabled. So in this lab, your task is to log the following user accounts: V. Edwards, C. Flynn, B. Khan. Unlock the following user accounts: M. Brown, B. Cassini, A. Espinoza, and then we're going to view the /etc/shadow file to verify the changes. So that is all we need to do in this lab. We'll go ahead and start lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you will find this video helpful, at the end of the video you may also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you have a detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, be it Security Pro, Network Plus, or Linux Pro. Right, so we're still waiting for the lab to load. Alright, so this lab is loaded. Let's open up terminal. So in the terminal, the first task is type in user mode and space -L space V. Edwards then you press enter. And user mode space -L space C. Flynn, you press enter. Then user mode space -L space beacon, you press enter. Then you type in user mode space -L space -U rather and space M. Brown and then type in, so just copy and paste and we edit later. So the name is going to be B. Cassini, then we enter, copy and paste, and we edit, and then we change this to A. Espinoza. CAT space /etc/shadow and you press enter. go ahead and score lab if you find this video to be helpful. You also want to consider joining my professional membership, share in other platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.